So, I think I've got an idea on the pyramids and how they were built. And don't mind my artwork right now. What we have here is a really bad drawing of a pyramid. This is half the height of the whole thing. Same width and everything. And what this got me thinking, well, it got me thinking about a couple of things. Well, first off, the triangle. Triangles. And well, let's see, what's the smallest shape we can make? But it's not really a shape, though. I mean, really, what it comes down to is that we'll make this is like a little fractal here, actually, and that's the thing. Yeah, this can be a little bit loaded video. So first off, let's do a little topographic view of the pyramids. And that's, many people think that we have a four-sided pyramid at Giza. No, it's actually 8-sided. And well, that got me thinking, well, okay, if this pyramid is half the height of this entire thing, well, then why didn't they, maybe they were building megastructures to build the megastructure. I mean, maybe because they had to build a pyramid to build this pyramid to build this pyramid. And so we can see that they actually could start building from the bottom up. And so start look up the equations for the ratios for the Great Pyramids. But what we have here is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 points instead of 4. And so, really, and what they try to say is that the pyramid is a ray of light. Well, doesn't that kind of look like a star? A little asterisk. And well, it got me thinking, you know, like I said, what's the smallest shape we can make? A triangle. And well, what happens if two triangles meet each other? Well, I'm not trying to make a pentagram. I'm trying to do a Star of David. Fortunately, the only way I know how to do it is doing it like that. And so what we have here we just created fractals. That's what we get out of this. And this goes back to well, I've got this is my paper, and I wanted to draw my pyramid. Well, where was I going with this? Yeah, I'm sorry. This is just really loaded, and as I'm telling you this, my mind is going a mile a second. So well, this is our blueprint. That's what I was trying to get at. Blueprint. And in order to do blueprints, we need graph. And well, we're able to have equal side, able to illustrate in a way that shows two opposing sides that are the exact same, but and when they meet, they have to cancel each other out. And that's how an arch works with the keystone canceling out the forces from this side and the forces from that side. And this is -1 plus 1, and this is 0. And so this, I'm telling you, I have the theory of everything. This is the theory of everything. We live in a pixelated universe because two things cannot be at the same space and time. It's impossible in our reality. But what isn't impossible is this and this and this. Just the fact that me, a guy with no real formal education, and able to come up with this crap, and can't learn anything from the internet, really. And at the same time, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is the little hex. So, and another little video, but I got lost in my thoughts during it as I started to do it this time. But we can see young star. We're fallen stars. When we flap hack a cube, it turns into a cross, a hex. And just like when I was trying to decipher Vitruvian Man, what happened? I think I was at like, I think I had like the circle going around and got going up to like this point, and then I had something like going on where I got to the point of the page where I created another equilateral triangle. Only it was going to be branching from the upper realm, and that's the beauty behind this. The fractals is the art of the patterns that life creates, and we can see my crude drawing that it almost looks like an angel. My, this could be a crude drawing of an angel, and that's open up our minds, people. Open up our minds, because what is the smallest shape we can make? I mean, that's not really a shape